Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn what the ketogenic way of eating is, what benefits it will give you, what challenges you may face, and what foods to eat and avoid. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Would you like to know exactly what you should eat to lose weight without giving up your favorite food or starving yourself? And you make sure that the keto diet is right for you or not, so click on the link in the description and consult our support to get a customized plan for your keto diet. And get the deliciously easy keto recipes book as a gift. And now let's see the rest of the video. Ketogenic diets, a subset of low-carb diets, have been around for decades, with different forms of ketogenic diets being used to help facilitate weight loss and manage conditions like diabetes and epilepsy. Number 1. Ketosis is when your metabolism starts to burn fat for fuel instead of carbs and sugar, and during this metabolic shift, the liver also produces ketones in a process known as ketogenesis. Number 2. Atkins 20 or Atkins 40 are ketogenic diets, but unlike the standard keto diet, these versions of Atkins are less restrictive because as you climb the carb ladder, you get more food choices and a better balance of macronutrients. Number 3. With Atkins 20, net carbs are restricted to 20 grams or fewer per day for a 2-week induction phase to guarantee that ketosis is achieved, before gradually adding small amounts of net carbs back into your diet. Consuming a well-constructed keto diet that's low in carbs, moderate in protein, and high in healthy fats, as you do on Atkins 20 or Atkins 40, has shown to be safe and effective. Number 4. Typical of Atkins 20, this 7-day keto plan is broken down as follows. 60 to 70% fat. Keto diets replace the calories that typically come from carbs with an increase in the percentage of calories coming from fat. But not all fat is created equal. Reach for healthy fats from high-quality plant and animal sources, such as olive oil and coconut oil, as well as eggs, avocados, cheese, and fish. 20 to 30% protein. Following a keto diet requires eating an adequate amount of protein to supply your liver with amino acids, which help make new glucose for the cells and organs in your body that can't use ketones as fuel. Eating too much protein can suppress ketosis, but not consuming enough can lead to a loss in muscle mass. 5 to 10% carbs. On a keto diet like Atkins, you'll limit your net carb intake to 20 to 40 grams per day. To ensure you're getting all of your required nutrients, especially fiber, it is important that the carbs you do eat come from vitamin and mineral-rich foundation vegetables. Sample Keto Diet 7-Day Meal Plan. Most people can consume up to 50 grams total carbohydrates per day and maintain ketosis. This sample 7-day keto diet plan, with an average of 20.5 grams of net carbs per day, will show you how to eat right, not less, with Atkins Keto while still enjoying a variety of satisfying foods. Day 1, Monday. Total net carbs, 20.7 grams. Breakfast, 4.6 grams of net carbs, eggs scrambled with sautéed onions and cheddar cheese. Snack, 2 grams of net carbs, Atkins peanut butter fudge crisp bar. Lunch, 5.8 grams of net carbs, 6-ounce deli ham over 2 cups mixed greens with 1/2 avocado, 5 large black olives, 1/2 cup sliced cucumbers, and 2 tablespoon blue cheese dressing. Snack, 4.5 grams of net carbs, 3/4 medium zucchini cut into sticks and 2-ounce provolone cheese. Dinner, 3.8 grams of net carbs, baked catfish with broccoli and herb butter blend. Keto tip of the day. Low-carb diets like Atkins Keto have a diuretic effect, so make sure you're drinking at least 6 to 8 glasses of water each day. Not consuming enough water, especially when starting a new low-carb diet, can lead to constipation, dizziness, and sugar/carb cravings. Also make sure you add extra salt to your diet in order to make sure you're getting enough electrolytes. Try sipping on full sodium broth or adding a little extra salt to your food. Day 2, Tuesday. Total net carbs, 20.1 grams. Breakfast, 5 grams of net carbs Atkins, frozen farmhouse-style sausage scramble. Snack, 4.4 grams of net carbs 1 cup sliced red bell pepper with 2 tablespoon ranch dressing. Lunch, 5.4 grams of net carbs 1 serving tuna celery salad with mixed greens and 3 cherry tomatoes. Snack, 2.2 grams of net carbs 1 stalk celery with 2 tablespoon cream cheese. Dinner, 3.2 grams of net carbs 7 ounces bone-in pork chop with cauliflower cheddar mash. Keto tip of the day. Keto tip of the day, get moving. Exercising regularly can help you achieve ketosis by aiding your body in using up its carbohydrate stores. It's normal to feel a bit sluggish when starting a keto diet, so if you're new to the low-carb lifestyle, stay active with low-intensity movement like yoga and walking. When you're feeling more energized, add in some high-intensity exercise a few days a week. Day 3, Wednesday. Total net carbs, 19.7 grams. Breakfast, 2.9 grams of net carbs spinach and Swiss cheese omelette. Snack, 1 grams of net carbs Atkins strawberry shake. Lunch, 6 grams of net carbs grilled chicken over baby spinach, tomato, and avocado salad. Snack, 2.2 grams of net carbs 2-ounce ham, 2 tablespoon cream cheese, and 2 dill pickle spears. Dinner, 7.6 grams of net carbs beef sautéed with vegetables over romaine. Keto tip of the day. If you are new to a low-carb lifestyle, you might start to come down with what's known as the keto flu. A term coined by the keto community, this is a temporary side effect experienced by some people when they start the keto diet. If you are experiencing headaches, weakness, and poor concentration, don't throw in the towel. Electrolytes and water are quickly depleted when you first start a keto diet, so make sure you are drinking plenty of water and consuming a little extra sodium and potassium. It also helps to get adequate sleep and make sure you are eating plenty of healthy fats. Day 4, Thursday. Total net carbs, 19.3 grams. Breakfast, 4.7 grams of net carbs cheese and spinach omelette topped with avocado and salsa. Snack, 1 grams of net carbs Atkins French vanilla shake. Lunch, 6 grams of net carbs Atkins frozen crustless chicken pot pie. Snack, 2.2 grams of net carbs 1/2 medium zucchini cut into sticks and 1 ounce Monterey Jack cheese. Dinner, 5.4 grams of net carbs 5-ounce hamburger topped with 1 ounce pepper jack cheese, 1 small tomato, 1/2 Hass avocado, and 2 romaine lettuce leaves. Keto tip of the day, craving something sweet? Whip up a decadent dessert with this easy recipe for chocolate pecan pie bites suitable for all Atkins phases. Note that 1 serving of this recipe will add 1.8 grams of net carbs and 7.1 grams of fat to today's menu. Day 5, Friday. Total net carbs, 21.9 grams. Breakfast, 2.6 grams of net carbs 2 large eggs, a 1/4 cup shredded cheddar, and 4 tablespoons salsa cruda. Snack, 2 grams of net carbs Atkins Cafe Caramel Shake. Lunch, 6.9 grams of net carbs Atkins frozen chili con carne with a side of 2 cups mixed greens and 2 tablespoon Italian dressing. Snack, 4.4 grams of net carbs 1 cup sliced red bell pepper with 2 tablespoon ranch dressing. Dinner, 6 grams of net carbs 1/2 of a California Cobb salad with ranch dressing from California Pizza Kitchen. Keto tip of the day, it's the end of the work week, so meet up with your friends or family for dinner. Living low carb doesn't mean you have to cook every one of your meals. Stay on track when dining out by asking the restaurant for nutrition information, choosing meat and veggie dishes, opting out of starchy sides like mashed potatoes, and avoiding sugary condiments like barbecue sauce. And check out these other keto-friendly restaurants. Day 6, Saturday. Total net carbs, 20.7 grams. Breakfast, 4.9 grams of net carbs red bell pepper filled with creamy eggs and spinach. Snack, 1 grams of net carbs Atkins strawberry shake. Lunch, 2.5 grams of net carbs tuna salad with 4-ounce tuna, 2 stalks celery, 1 dill pickle spear, 2 tablespoon mayonnaise. Snack, 4.5 grams of net carbs, 1 portobello mushroom cap, a quarter cup salsa cruda, and 1 ounce pepper jack cheese. Dinner, 7.8 grams of net carbs, 5 ounce Italian sausage, 1/4 medium onion sliced, and 1/2 red bell pepper sliced with a side of 2 cups baby spinach, 1/2 cup sliced mushrooms, and 2 tablespoon blue cheese dressing. Keto tip of the day: if you're feeling celebratory or are out on the town, enjoy a low-carb drink without throwing off your week. 1 3.5 ounce glass of dry red wine has 2.6 grams of net carbs, and 1 ounce of bourbon has 0 grams of net carbs. However, watch out for hidden carbs in mixers, and remember that these are additional carbs to today's menu. You can easily keep track of your daily net carbs with the Atkins app or this guide. Day 7, Sunday. Total net carbs, 20.8 grams. Breakfast, 2.9 grams of net carbs, pumpkin flax pancakes. Snack, 1.7 grams of net carbs, 5 whole snap peas and 2 ounce cheddar. Lunch, 3.1 grams of net carbs, 6 ounce chicken breast over 2 cups romaine hearts with 5 radishes and 2 tablespoon creamy Italian dressing. Snack, 3.2 grams of net carbs, 2 stalks celery and 2 tablespoon cream cheese. Dinner, 9.9 grams of net carbs, baked salmon with charmoula over broccoli. Keto tip of the day: head to the supermarket and meal prep for the upcoming week to stay on track with your low-carb lifestyle. Switch things up by making some of your favorite meals with low-carb ingredient swaps. And brush up on how to avoid the most common keto mistakes. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your 60-day keto diet plan today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.